Our planet, our resources, a finite reality. We live on a beautiful planet, abundant with resources. For years, we've used these resources to fuel our economies and lifestyles. But there's a catch. These resources are finite. Our planet has limits. What happens when we use more than nature can replenish? We face a crisis of scarcity, waste, and environmental damage. For too long, we've operated on a take-make-waste model. We take resources from the earth, make products, use them, and then discard them. This linear approach is unsustainable and puts immense pressure on our planet. It's like trying to run a marathon, but only ever inhaling, never exhaling. The consequences are all around us. Depleting natural resources, overflowing landfills, and rising pollution levels are just some of the alarming signs that our current way of life is not working. We need a new approach, a system that works in harmony with nature, not against it. The take-make-waste treadmill. Imagine a world where products are designed to last longer, be easily repaired, and be transformed into something new at the end of their lives. This is the promise of the circular economy, a regenerative system that minimizes waste and maximizes resource use. In a circular economy, we move away from the take-make-waste model and embrace a closed-loop system. Waste is redesigned out of the equation. Products are designed for durability, repairability, and recyclability. Materials are kept in use for as long as possible, circulating within the economy. This shift requires a change in mindset from seeing products as disposable to valuing their inherent worth and potential for continuous use. It's about understanding that our resources are precious and finite, and that we have a responsibility to use them wisely. Closing the loop, the circular economy. At the heart of the circular economy lie three key principles: eliminate waste and pollution. This involves designing products and processes that minimize waste generation from the start. It's about rethinking packaging, embracing digital solutions, and finding innovative ways to reduce our environmental footprint. Circulate products and materials. This means keeping resources in use for as long as possible. This can involve repairing, reusing, refurbishing, remanufacturing, and ultimately recycling products and materials at the end of their service life. Regenerate natural systems. This focuses on using renewable energy sources, promoting biodiversity, and restoring natural capital. It recognizes that our economy is embedded within the environment and that we need to protect and regenerate the natural systems that sustain us. These principles work together to create a closed-loop system where waste is minimized, resources are maximized, and natural systems are protected. This is not just about environmental sustainability, it's about creating a more resilient, equitable, and prosperous future for all. Section 4. Circular Economy in Action, Real-World Inspiration. The circular economy is not a distant dream, it's already happening all around us. Fashion revolution companies are using recycled plastic bottles to create stylish clothing and accessories, reducing the demand for virgin materials and diverting waste from landfills. Sharing economy platforms. Online platforms are connecting people to share cars, tools, and even clothes, maximizing the use of existing products and minimizing consumption. Regenerative agriculture. Farmers are adopting practices that improve soil health, reduce water use, and sequester carbon, creating a more sustainable and resilient food system. These are just a few examples of the circular economy in action. From innovative startups to established corporations, individuals and organizations are embracing circular principles and creating a more sustainable future. Section 5. Joining the circular revolution, every action counts. The transition to a circular economy requires a collective effort. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play. As individuals, we can support businesses that embrace circularity, choose products made from recycled materials, support companies with sustainable practices, and prioritize durability and repairability. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle, find creative ways to reuse items and recycle properly. Make conscious consumption choices. Ask yourself if you really need something before you buy it. Choose products designed for durability and repairability and support local and sustainable businesses. The circular economy is not just a concept, it's a call to action. It's an invitation to rethink our relationship with resources, embrace innovation, and create a future where prosperity and sustainability go hand in hand. Every action, no matter how small, can contribute to a more circular and sustainable future for all. Let's join the circular revolution and build a world where waste is not an option, resources are valued, and nature thrives.